Hey, it's Nate Wilkins from the AgelessWorkout, the Godfather of Health, Wellness, and Fitness. Hey, listen, if you haven't heard, we just released our new book, AgelessWorkout, a guide to total transformation, mind, body, and spirit. So Shebah and I, we put the book together because we wanted you to have a chance to, see what we're talking about in terms of the mindset, because of the tribe. You got to have a group of people, a community. And so we talked about that in the book. We also talked about how do you eat, how do you sleep, all of the things that you need to have in terms of have a total experience and not just, the exercise that's associated with it. So the new book is out, AgelessWorkout, a guide to total transformation, mind, body, and spirit. That's how you have to get it off of Amazon. It's listed on Amazon. It's AgelessWorkout, a guide to total transformation, mind, body, and spirit. Grab your copy today and listen, reach out to us and let us know what you think. If you want a deeper dive in terms of, working with us in training and the likes, reach out to me at thenowgroupfitness@gmail.com. And then if you just want to put your foot in the water and try out what we're doing, then you can always check it out on one of our sites, PanachFitness.com or the AgelessWorkout.com for that free session. Look, we're excited about the book. We hope you like it. See you next time.